So initially, I was supposed to take trades, like I was supposed to take 3 winning trades this week, one break even and one loss. And if I look closely, I wasn't supposed to even take this loss. I wasn't supposed to trade on Tuesday because I didn't see any setup on Tuesday. But due to some kind of psychology and the mindset I was having, I took this trade and I took loss on this trade. So if I'm to say I wasn't supposed to take any loss this week, but if I'm still supposed to say I took one loss, and yeah, it is what it is. Yo traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is another day, and yeah, you guys are expecting a new episode on the challenge, on the $100 to $160,000 challenge. But sorry to break this, there's no episode for this week due to some reasons. I wasn't active on the challenge account, so I had to just pause that for this week, guys. But right now I'm going to be reviewing my trades on gold for this week, and yeah, I took some trades on gold but not on the challenge account due to some personal reasons. And again, I took the trades on some other accounts which I'm not disclosing, right? But I'm just going to be reviewing the trade today, guys. So stay tuned as I review this trade, and let me know what you think in the comment section, right, guys? All right, guys, as you can see, this is my trading view, the 5-minute time frame, guys. So I'm just going to go back to when this week started, which is Monday, right? As you can see, yeah, this is Monday, and guys, this is the first trade I took from on Monday. This is the first trade I took starting on Monday. So guys, initially what I was I traded the break and retest, so of a zone, right, of a recent zone, guys. So where I was waiting for the break, I was waiting for a break of this structure right there, and this was the break, right? This was the break, right? And the retest, guys. So initially I've been adding some kind of stuff to my strategy and backtesting it to see how it goes, and it's I think it's working fine. It's making me improve in the strategy, like giving me some better edge in the strategy, guys. So but strategy is not what makes someone profitable, guys. If you think so, well, let me know what you think in the comment section, guys. You need to work on yourself, work on your psychology. That will make you a better person in this industry. So guys, I was waiting for the break and retest, guys, and initially after the break, I don't just wait for retest, I also take note of the other block at that area, the demand and supply zone at that area. So currently, as you can see, this was the recent supply zone at the area, which I was anticipating price will probably come back to and react to. So I just don't take trade off that supply zone. I don't take trade off that supply zone just like that. That's a new rule I just added, guys. So now when it came back to that supply zone, I waited for the reaction on that zone. So as you can see, guys, price gave some kind of dodgy candle, right, as you can see right there, and gave this bearish pin bar. Yeah, I'll call it pin bar. It's a small pin bar, right? So immediately I saw that, I up in on this trade. I sell gold at that area right there. So gold went straight into profit, and it gave me half of what I was initially targeting, which is 1.5 hour. I was targeting 3 hour on this trade, so it gave me 1.5 hour and I broke even, right? Immediately I get 1.5 hour, and any trade I'm going to break even. So that is what I did here, and price came back to stop me out at break even, right? So guys, it is what it is. That was Monday trade, break even trade. Tuesday I was waiting for the break of this high right here. I was waiting for the break of the high, and price eventually broke that high. So right here, this was where I made a mistake. I was supposed to wait for it to come back, because initially I was kind of trading the break and retest of the London, but of recent I tried to backtest something else. And I was trying to follow that new stuff I was backtesting, but due to I didn't see setup based on the new stuff I was backtesting, so I have to stick to the London break. So actually, this was some kind of London. This was some kind of London highs, something like that. I think so. I can't remember, somewhere there. So I had to wait for. I had to wait. I think this was the London high, yeah. So I had to wait for the break of that London high and the retest, right? So when price broke there and came back to retest, I opened on this bullish candle right here. As you can see it, I opened on this bullish candle right here. After this bullish candle, I just wait for the pullback right here, and I open on this bullish candle, and price just went a little bit in profit and came back to stop me out. Initially, if I had waited for price to come back to this my zone I was anticipating, right? This is my zone I was anticipating, the retest of this zone, and as you can see, this is a demand zone which price came to react to and start moving upward. So I did not wait patiently for that to happen. And one other rule which I was avoiding is because once it's 5 o'clock, yes, West African time, I don't take trade, which is that's the New York session. I think that's the New York session. I don't take trade. I just stay out of the market because there's no much volatility, so I just stay out of the market at that time. So that was what I was avoiding. I was trying to, okay, let me trade the London section instead. Let me take the London break instead, London break and retest. So I took this trade, and I took loss on this trade, right? That's the loss I took. And note, I didn't follow my rules here, right? I didn't follow my rules. I go against my rules, kind of, yeah, go against my rules, yeah. But it is what it is. So Tuesday trade was loss, and this is Wednesday, right? And Wednesday. So guys, I was waiting for the break and retest, guys. I was initially waiting for the break of this side, this zone, and actually this was the break. As you can see, this was the break, and came back to retest right, yeah, and give this bearish move, right? Initially I'm looking for a strong momentum candle to confirm that yes, this price wants to continue downward, and this candle, this bearish candle, it gave in the 5-minute time frame. I wasn't satisfied with it. This one, I wasn't satisfied with it, so I had to wait for it to pull back, and I went down to the 1-minute time frame, which I saw a healthy candle there. I hoping, right, when this other candle was forming, that was where I hoping on this trade. So I hoping on this trade right here, and this trade went into profit, straight into profit, and came back into my entry, then came back to smash my TP, right? So guys, this trade was a winning trade, but in the account which I was trading, it was a break-even trade. Yes, that's what I was talking about. Strategy is not what makes you profitable. Your mindset is what makes you profitable in this industry. So the mindset I was having at that moment is what made me break even on this trade, and it came to stop me at break even, and later went into profit. This was a winning trade, right? That was for Wednesday. And Thursday, this was what I was actually waiting for, the break of this zone, and it actually broke this zone, right? And the supply zone, which I was anticipating price to come back to, this is the zone I was anticipating, but price broke that area. That's why I'm waiting for extra confirmation. If I had just set my limit, it's going to go right there and stop me out, right? So I have to wait for confirmation before I go in on any trade. So that was where I was anticipating, but price did not just go to that zone and react, but break past that zone. So I now had to draw the other supply zone right here, right? So price came back there and reacted to that and start giving some bearish candle. I had to still wait for confirmation. I'm not comfortable with just the reaction it gave at that supply zone. I have to wait for the break of my zone, the zone which I was actually waiting for, which is this horizontal ray right here, this zone, right? First I have to wait for the break. And the retest back into it. Then I have to wait for confirmation to break back outside to show that yes, it wants to keep going downward, right? So I hop in on this trade after the break of that horizontal ray line. I just opened on that trade and it went into profit, straight into profit, and immediately it went into profit. I break even, and this was a winning trade. So Thursday was a winning trade, right? Yeah, it was a winning trade. So guys, this was Friday, and I took this trade based off the break and retest of this zone, right? As you can see, price broke that zone right here. Price broke the zone. When price broke, came back to retest, and this was this demand zone, right, which I was anticipating for price to come to react, right? Price came back to react to the zone. Immediately price reacted to the zone, gave a bullish candle, which I was not satisfied with. I have to switch to the 1 minute time frame, right? That was where I got my entry and I took this trade. I bought this trade, I bought gold right there. So price went into profit. Was kind of a slow market, but I was still waiting, but I couldn't wait anymore because there was news coming up. So I had to close this. I had to set break even, and this trade came back to smash my break even because of the news, right? So it smashed my break even and now started to go my way. In fact, it went to my TP, straight to my TP 3R, and this trade was a win trade, but the account I was trading, it was a break-even trade due to mindset, guys, due to my mindset, right? Though actually the account I was trading, I wasn't supposed to trade new, so I just closed that trade, and I was actually safe from the news, right? Yeah, it's a nice choice, it's a nice decision. I made the right decision though. So ending me in profit this week, right? I was in profit this week. I'm in profit. Yeah, I ended in profit. I'm not disclosing that account. I would have shown the P&L for this week, so but I'm not disclosing the account due to some reasons, guys. So initially I was supposed to take trades, like I was supposed to take 3 winning trades this week, 1 break even and 1 loss. And if I look closely, I wasn't supposed to even take this loss. I wasn't supposed to trade on Tuesday because I didn't see any setup on Tuesday, but due to some kind of psychology and the mindset I was having, I took this trade and I took loss on this trade. So if I'm to say I wasn't supposed to take any loss this week, but if I'm still supposed to say I took 1 loss, and yeah, it is what it is. 1 break even, 1 loss, and 3 wins. That's what I'm supposed to take this week. But yeah, that shows you that psychology is the main thing. Mindset is the main thing in this forex industry. Strategy is not just, and also your risk management, guys. So guys, this is my trade review on gold. This was my trades I took this week, and this was how the week went, guys. So I hope you love this content, and if you love this content, if you want to keep getting content like this, let me know in the comment section, and let me know what you think about this video, and let me know what you think about my mindset on these trades I took this week. So guys, if you love this type of content, smash the like button, share this channel to your family and friends, and keep coming back here to watch my videos. And don't forget to keep coming back. I'm coming back on the challenge next week, and I'm going to be continuing the challenge next week. So guys, stay tuned for the challenge, and peace out.